On this video today, I'm going to show you the easiest and the fastest way that you can use to make money with CPA marketing for free as a complete beginner without any skills and without investing any money. This method is available worldwide. The best part is that I'm going to show you the best offer that you can promote and a highly quality traffic source that you can use to promote the offer. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Build, you can join CPA Lead. In this case, I'm going to be using CPA Group. CPA Group is available worldwide. Wherever you are in the world, you can create your accounts for free and then promote offers on this platform so that you can earn CPA commissions. Once you create your accounts and log in on CPA Group, to find an offer, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. The next step is that you have to select one of the offers that you want to promote. You can see these are all CPA offers that you can promote to make money from home. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. But these offers are allowed in the United Kingdom. So you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people in the United Kingdom to click on your affiliate link and then enter the requirements for you to make money. In this case, we are not going to be promoting offers in the United Kingdom because the offers have a lower payout. I'm going to be showing one of the countries where you can get offers with higher payout. So just scroll upwards. Once you scroll upwards, click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll and then select any country that you want. As a scroll, you can see different countries that you can click on to find an offer to promote. In this case, we are going to be promoting offers in Canada. So search for Canada, search for it. Once you search for it, you can see it here. Click on it. Once you click on Canada, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see different offers that you can promote to people who live in Canada. You can see a whole lot of them. The first offer, you can see the payout is very high. You are going to be earning $12.83 per every lead that you get. And the requirement is very simple: pin submit. So your potential visitors have to enter a pin code. Once they enter the pin code, they are going to stand the chance of winning back to school gift card. Once they enter their details, whether they win the offer or not, you are going to be paid $12.83. There are many of them. You can see the next one, you are going to be earning $2.22. The next one is $2.22. There are many offers that you can promote. You can see this offer, you're also going to be earning $12.83. The first offer and the last one, it is the same offer, but the difference is that the first one is allowed on Apple iOS and the last one is allowed on desktop. You can see it right here. Any of them that you want, you can promote it. In this case, I'm going to be promoting the one that is allowed on desktop. To promote the offer, just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see right here, this is your affiliate link. And you can see this offer is only allowed in Canada. You can see right here, this is your payout. If you want to select a different domain, you can click right here so that you can get a new tracking domain. You can see a whole lot of them. Just select the one that you want. Once you select your tracking domain, the next step is that you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. You can see they are required to verify their PayPal. You can see verify with your PayPal. So what they have to do is that they have to submit their PayPal details so that they can stand the chance of winning back to school gift card. Once they enter their details, whether they win or not, you are still going to be paid. So all that you need to do is that you have to get people to click on your affiliate link. There are several ways that you can drive traffic to your affiliate link, but in this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a free way that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details for you to make money. Once you make the money, you can invest in paid ads so that you can get a lot of people to enter their details for you to make a lot of money on CPA Group. The traffic source that we're going to be using today is contestcanada.net. This website is based in Canada, and the best part is that you can give away items for free. You can see right here, people are giving away different gift cards. You can see Amazon gift card, win $100 Costco gift card. The next one is win 100 gift card, win a 200 Amazon gift card. So there are a lot of different things that people give away on this website. You can see these are gift cards, and there are many others that people give away on this website. You can also give away an item on this website so that you can get people who live in Canada to click on your affiliate link and then enter the required details so that they can get access to the gift card. Once they enter their details, you are also going to be paid. You can see right here, people give away different things. You can see cash and gift card, DVD, you can see clothing, electronics, food, anything that you want, you can give away on this website so that you can get people to contest for it. While they contest for it, some of them are going to win and others are going to lose. But in our case, whether people win or lose, we are still going to be making money. All that we need is that the people have to enter their details and then verify it so that we can be paid. You can see a lot of different giveaways. As a school, you can see a whole lot of them. Now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to give away the back to school gift card on this website. We want to get people who live in Canada to contest for it so that those who are lucky can win the gift card. To give away an item on this website, you can choose to advertise. So you click on advertise. Once you click on it, you have to make a payment so that your giveaway will be displayed on this website. In our case, we are not going to pay for anything. So click right here, suggest a contest. So click on it. Once you click on it, when you scroll down, you can see right here, contests that are not open to Canadians will not be published on the site. In this case, our giveaway is specifically for Canadians, so we are qualified to submit a giveaway. So the first step is that you have to enter the contest name. So in our case, we are going to enter the name of the offer. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy and paste the title of the offer here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your company names. Enter any name that you want. Just enter any name that you want. Once you enter the name of the company, the next step is that you have to paste your URL right here. This is where you're going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, click on copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter the expiring date. In this case, we are going to enter January 2024. So click right here. Once you click on it, you can select the date. So we are going to select 2024. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, we are going to select January 31st. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to select the entries. You can see entering frequency. How many times does a person qualify to enter? You can see they have single, they have daily, they have weekly and monthly. We are going to select daily. Once that is done, you can see requested listening type. So are you going to pay or you want to post it for free? You have to enter that. So click on it. If you want to pay, you have to pay $35 so that your giveaway can be featured in one day. If you want your giveaway to be featured for 2 days, you have to pay $65. If you want it to be featured 3 days, you have to pay $90. In this case, we are going to post it for free so that when we make the money, you can choose the rest of the options. Once that is done, you are going to enter your email address here. Once you enter your email address, the next step is that you have to select the country where the offer is allowed. So click on it. You can see they have Canada and US. So if the offer is allowed in both Canada and US, you have to select that. But in this case, it is allowed in only Canada. So select Canada. Once that is done, you have to write a description of the offer. So write a description. Just write your description and paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. In my description, I just show them how to get access to the offer. You can see how to claim your gift card. You can see they have to follow all these steps so that they can get access to the gift card. You have to also write the same thing. Just tell them the steps that they have to follow so that they can get access to the offer. Once you have entered all the details, the next step is that you have to submit it. To submit it, click right here, submit. Once you click on it, you can see it has been submitted. Your contest information has been saved. Thank you. Submit another contest. So you can submit as many as you want. If the offers are allowed in Canada, you can submit as many as you want. So what you have to do is that you have to go back on CPA Group, find a different offer, come back and then submit it. Submit as many as you can so that you can get many people to enter their details for you to make money on CPA Group. As you can see, there are many other offers that are allowed in Canada. You can see this one right here. If you promote it, you are going to be earning $2.22. See, there are many other offers that you can promote. So when you come back, you can see this one right here. You can submit it as a giveaway. Once you submit it, you can get people who contest for it. Once they enter their details, you are going to get paid. So make sure you come back and select any of these offers, submit it to the website, keep on submitting different offers onto the website so that you can get a lot of leads. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.